Hello mga followers! Paki-subscribe naman ako sa aking YouTube channel, sa aking TikTok, sa FB, sa Messenger. Like and share, a heart. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Long ago, and though so far away, I feel in love with you. Before the second show, your guitar, it sounds